everybody. Today is 11 days to go till I get this new shoulder, and the clouds have dropped down to probably 850 feet right there. And we had a big rainstorm come through last night. It only lasted about an hour, maybe two at the most, and it dropped some rain, maybe about half an inch. But it made a lot of noise. My temporary fix and what I could do in there seemed to work okay. Nothing leaked, which is a good thing. I didn't lose my internet. I have a generator, so that was backed up and I didn't need to use that. And everything else is looking pretty good. So we are going to get some exercise in today. I am counting down. I have a plan what time I have to be at the hospital and what to take and what not to take. And an interesting thing about the whole process is the medication. Yikes. Yeah, medication. So serious medication, kind of medication they give you, the drug to counteract an opiate overdose kind of medication. So I guess it's some serious pain that comes with this. I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm used to serious pain. This is enough pain as it is. I don't know how much worse it can get. But as the days progress, this gets more painful, and sooner or later we're going to be in relief with a new shoulder. But I guess that pain is going to be temporary compared to this ongoing pain that's been going on for years, that I got shots in so I could keep going, which ultimately messed up the whole plan. Now that it didn't mess it up, but it made it a little more complicated than it needed to be, and probably a couple of years of pain that I didn't need to be in if I only have to be in pain for 3 months or 6 weeks. So anyway, I'm rambling on. I will hang up here. Is that what they say? Oh, that was another thing. You know, I checked out my demographics. It's kind of cool when you're doing YouTube. You get this YouTube studio thing going on. I'm learning new things. I think that's what's funny, but there's nobody my age watching this. Or at least the statistics show there are very few people above 50 watching this whole trans woman do videos. So what do I say? I'll keep rolling. So this is my prescription just in case the stuff they gave me causes problems, but I'm thinking this might work a little better and it doesn't need to have an antidote. I have become completely immune. I don't even hear these guys any longer doing all their work during the day, packing and getting ready to ship all this premium citrus and avocados. So that is all the noise you're hearing in the background. What, are you out of water? Oh no. Part of what keeps me entertained out here is working with the scrub oak burls and garden art. I have several different pieces that I change and evolves during the year as the season change and also as the wood changes over age. So that's kind of one of my other hobbies is garden art. And these are examples of what I've created. And they're kind of unique and they change all year long. Wow, those clouds are dropping down and it's getting chilly. And Okay, okay, okay. You ready to go? She wants to go. So we're gonna go for a hike. Today's video is going to be going up a hill. We'll probably see Swish, who lives down that way, down there. But we're going to go up a hill, up that way, up towards those clouds, where a lot of rain's going to come down in the next couple days. I'm going to video the road, which they took some time to fix earlier this month, and after the rainstorm we had before that, and now we're having another one which will probably make that road messy again, and I'll videotape that. Kind of cool looking at the way the geography is here. The ground is like rock, really shallow, not too far underneath here. It's like really hard stuff. So let's take a hike. Yeah, this is really weird. Where the clouds are coming in, I'm getting big drops of rain on me. And this is the road we're gonna hike up. I'm coming up on a really pretty stand of prickly pear. It's very old. It's gorgeous. And there is a particular parasite on these plants that is harvested by people around the world, mostly indigenous people, for the dye it makes. It makes red dye, and I'll do a video on that. It's those little critters right there, little white things. And yeah, when you dry them out, I wonder what they're doing here. I've never seen this. What is that? This is the cochineal insect. It's interesting how they process this bug. Look it up on YouTube. And that was Camp Pendleton. And we'll probably hear more of that. If we heard one, there will be more. We are right next to the East Firing Range. I'm nowhere near the top of my trek here, but this is as high as we're going to go today. I'm looking over the Duluth Canyon, and we're going to be hiking back down where the erosion starts, but not yet. It hasn't rained enough. We found water. Yep. Sky the otter dog. She's obsessed with water. Oh boy. That was a good one. Thank you, Marines. This is California scrub oak flowering away here on the canyon. I just went around the farm with Sky and took pictures of various things that I thought were interesting and very beautiful today. These bird of paradise were really showing off today for sure. These are crazy mandarins that are half green and half yellow. Okay, that's going to be kind of what I'm finishing off with today. I'm looking at this storm blowing in. I've got this arm moved enough to where it's not being cranky right now. I have to keep in a good spirit here because I know this is not going to be an easy thing. But thanks for watching, and that's all for now.